Hey everybody, it's Matthew. Welcome back. I feel like this is probably going to be the last one. Been 2 weeks, I think, since I was last up here, and there's snow that's going to be happening today, according to the weather. And this is the last flowering plant. Let's see if it'll get into focus. That's better. That I think I will see. Its leaves have all been eaten, except for a couple near the bottom. And it feel like it's really it at this point. I don't think there's going to be more, as you can see from around me. The ferns are still alive. You know, I thought they'd be kind of keeled over, but I was surprised about that too. Oh, my shoe just came untied. Getting these awesome video angles for you, and my boot is untied. I don't think I can really smell anything today. My nose is a little stuffy, but I bent down and smelt the flowers and couldn't smell them. But still, I am impressed, and I enjoy a good surprise. So, even though it's late in the year, I encourage you to get out of the house. There is something to see. And yeah. If anything, you can just listen to the birds, the crunchy leaves, just wisping in the wind back and forth. Always something nice. And I think these are the last flowers of the year. I really don't think there's anything else. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah. See you later.